Begin from a single foot lock, simply off the mat. I suggest doing this low to the floor for safety reasons. Once you have your foot lock on, stand up. If your right foot is locked, your opposite arm, which is the left, does what's called a flamenco grip up. The free arm passes between you and the fabric. Lift the leg behind you in an arabesque. To exit, retrace your path and you're out. A couple key points. First thing, when you reach the arm up, make sure you internally rotate your shoulder and your arm is not too bent or it'll be very hard to get your wrist around. Lengthening the arm and internally rotating the shoulder helps to pass the opposite arm through. To exit, cross the leg in front to give you stability to come out. And then from here, simply step down and pop your foot lock off. Once you have the hang of it floor bound, we can take it up a little higher in the air. From a single foot lock, your supporting leg is straight. The left arm does the flamenco grip, and the right arm passes between you and the fabric. Lift the leg behind you and make sure you're pushing your body in towards the pole end for stability. And then to exit, cross the opposite leg in front, pop your foot lock off, and you're out. We'll do that again in slow motion. Place the foot lock on. Supporting leg is nice and lengthened and pulled up. If the right foot is locked, again, the left arm, flamenco grips. So carefully watch the positioning of my hand. With the thumb pointing up, the shoulder turns in, my arm is lengthened, my free arm passes through so I can get my elbow on the back side of the pole. Leaning your body in towards the pole of the fabric is definitely important for safety. And then to exit, cross the back leg in front, rotate around in your shoulder, and come out. So this skill does require shoulder mobility and also a tremendous amount of wrist mobility. You want to make sure you are comfortable with the arabesque position on the floor prior to trying it in the air. This stretch is really useful for wrist mobility, crossing the arms and rotating them outwards. And try this on each side prior to doing the skill to give your wrists a little bit of a stretch. All right, so that was your lesson, an arabesque flamenco grip entry.